Gua Sha is a traditional Chinese practice that uses a smooth-edged tool to stroke areas of the bodies to release muscle tension, improve blood circulation, and enhance skin health. While Gua Sha can be used on the entire body for different purposes, we will be focusing on the face in this tutorial. To begin your facial massage, apply a massage medium throughout your face and neck. We will begin at the neck to stimulate blood circulation to your face. Use the U end to sweep from your lower trapezius up towards the back of your ear. Pressure should not cause pain or discomfort. Moving to the lower jaw, use the short edge to sweep under the base of your jaw out toward your ear. All movements are repeated 10 times. Fitting the U end along the jawline, sweep from your chin toward your ear. Each step in this tutorial moves from the center of the face outwards, giving you an uplifted and sculpted appearance. Use the long edge on your lower face from your chin out to your ear, releasing your pressure when gliding the stone back toward the center of your face. Sweep the long edge from your smile line toward your ear to contour the lower section of your cheeks. Use the notch of the long edge with a gentle pressure to sweep below your inner eyes towards your temple to smooth out and depuff the under eyes. Be sure to put at least a finger's length between your lower lash line and your stone placement. With the end of the long edge, use a gentle pressure to sweep along your brow bone from the inner eye to the temple. Again, take care to put at least one finger's length between your upper lash line and the stone placement. The long edge is then used to sweep from your inner forehead to the temple. To end with the final touch, sweep the U end and the long edge from your hairline to the back of your scalp. It is incredibly important to hydrate when incorporating facial massage and Gua Sha into your skincare routine. Drinking plenty of water before and after the massage will help your body flush the toxins moved by the Gua Sha, while also ensuring your skin be left with a plumping and smoothing glow.